Gastroenterology is the discipline of diseases or problems associated with the gastrointestinal tract. This is an immense field of study. The gut is an enormously complex organ, and extending from mouth to anus and all the conditions that can arise in there. Historically, it has been investigated, and treatment go back to the ancient Greek. Alanus, a Greek physician in the 1st century, wrote extensively about the stomach as the source of nutrition, about how it harmonized the humors. So his work was really quite important in the European tradition. The Persian tradition, Avicenna, wrote about Persian medicine in the 10th century, talked about treatments and prescribed medications for that. Li Gao wrote the Pi Wei Lung, and he was the first person to actually look at internal diseases in Chinese medicine and chronic diseases associated with the digestive tract. Prior to that time, most of it was about external diseases. And he revolutionized the way in which Chinese medicine worked for these kinds of conditions. So there is a long history in the treatment and development of understandings of that. Today, particularly in the last 20 years, we've seen an extraordinary change and research developing in this area. We understand now, for example, that the stomach and small intestine produce neurotransmitters. They feed back to the central nervous system. They produce hormones that are part of the endocrine system and affect the HPA axis, HPT axis. And even more research is done in the microbiome, the living organisms that are our large intestine and small intestine as well, and how they have a direct impact on our psyche, and work to develop brain development and how the brain is functioning in children. These were not traditionally problems, but with the advent of antibiotics, we've seen a change in how humans are in regard to this. This seminar is practical. It will look at a number of different kinds of diseases and conditions, look at treatment protocols. All of this, of course, is referenced. All of it is based on research. And it will give you practical skills that you can use the next day, Monday morning, Saturday morning, whenever you get back to work, and you will be able to treat your patients. Thank you.